Happy Halloween! How are you?
Good, how are you?
I am Mally, the prancing unicorn, and I am here to help you. Do you have a costume?
No.
Okay, here's the deal. You need to come with me. I am going to make you a costume with stuff you probably already have at home, and then you're going to be in our audience. Are you excited?
I would love to, but unfortunately I gotta head to class.
All right. First of all, you're gorgeous.
Oh,
I
thank
could
you.
make you into something so fabulous with stuff you already have at home. So you want to come?
I wish I could. I gotta go to work.
You don't want to come with the unicorn?
I do. It's a pretty shiny horn.
Right now?
Yeah!
Oh, sorry. I can't. I've got to get her on her walk. We just headed out.
Happy Halloween!
I gotta go. I gotta go. Have a great day.
Okay.
Bye. I'm sorry. I gotta go to the airport.
Oh,
Thank you.
happy Halloween. Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Hello.
How are you today?
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween to you too.
I am Mally, the prancing unicorn.
Hello, Mally.
And here's my question.
Okay.
Do you have plans for Halloween?
My girlfriends and I are going out. Yes.
You are? Okay, do you
Yeah.
have a costume?
We're very last minute. We don't know what we're gonna be. But
Oh.
there's something going on.
I am going to steal you and your coffee, and we are gonna go back to Rachael's studio, and I'm gonna make you a costume.
You are?
With
Oh my
stuff you
God.
probably already have at home.
Okay.
Yes?
Let's do it. Yes.
Let's go! I have a plan for Kim, but you can't see, and you certainly can't see, so you need to get out of here so I can get to work, all right?
That went about like you would expect. When a crazy woman in rainbow hair with a horn on her head comes up to you in the streets of New York City, you saw people literally running away from you.
Yes, they were.
God bless Kim for taking pity on us.
Yeah, that
so
was
Kim
it.
is going to a party, correct?
Yes, she has something with her girlfriends tonight, and she did not have a costume.
A lot of people don't. A lot
I
of
know.
people do like a last minute thing.
That's true. That's right.
Okay, so I haven't seen her. I have no idea. Are you happy with what went down?
You are going to freak out. Not only does she look adorable,
Yeah.
we did it all backstage.
So we did this all in literally just the last few minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see her. Come on out, Kim. First of all, Kim looks adorable, and this is the kind of costuming from back in my day.
Yes.
I'm 50. When I was a kid, we really used to have to make our costumes.
Right. You got it.
Right?
You got it. It is.
You look adorable.
Really, if you need something quick, go to your closet. Everybody's got some great jeans, so everybody's got a flannel shirt. So you're gonna put that on number one. Okay, next is the makeup. Let's go for that first,
So
because
cute.
obviously that's my favorite. But here's the thing, black eyeliner is your best friend here. So as you can see, what we're doing is we are drawing the little stitches on her mouth.
So
Fast and
adorable.
easy. Just take them in the outer corners and create those beautiful little lines. Now, look at that cute little nose. So you gotta do the little nose. You go around a little bit of peachy lipstick or pink
So
lipstick for the
cute.
cheeks. And so this is two makeup pieces to create that entire
It's
look.
just a lipstick and a black eyeliner.
Exactly.
That's it.
And went right on top of the makeup that she wears every single day. Then, talking about the outfit, this is the best part. These little pieces of hay, these are just, can I reveal? We're gonna show you. Right in here, these are actually just sweatbands.
Oh, so
tuck
you don't get
sweatbands.
itchy.
Yeah, so you don't get itchy.
Nothing is-
And you tape the hay to the sweatband. So good, so good. Same thing with the jeans.
So
Right,
cute.
so we took paper towels and we glued that hay onto that and just taped it on the inside. And same thing with the inside
So
of the
clever.
boots, right?
And a pizza roll.
Pizza roll, and she's ready to party.
You could totally do this yourself,
Oh
right?
my gosh, absolutely. You can totally do this yourself.
That's adorable.
Yeah, I know.
I know, and she's as cute as can be, a little hat, the whole thing. Pigtails, honey.